Hey guys, it's Monday, and my buddy Dustin has loaned me this new tool to do a New Tool Monday segment on. You can see it's DeWalt. It's a little different than last week. I'll start off by saying I got a lot of great comments on that that circular saw that I reviewed last week, which I'm going to tell you, I love that thing. I've been using the heck out of it, and it works great. That saw didn't come with a battery, and I got a lot of comments about that, and one of them even saying that's why they go with DeWalt. I don't know if you can see it from there, but pole saw, tool only. No battery with this unit, but my buddy Dustin's got all DeWalt tools, so he gave me this battery with a charger, the 20 volt, but he also gave me this bad boy flex volt, 20 volt or 60 volt. I think this is the one we're going to try this sucker out with. Now, I have a gas powered version of this. It's a steel combi tool. It's got the gas power head and interchangeable tool options, but after 4 years the clutch is completely burnt out of it. Or I shouldn't say burnt out, it's completely rusted out, which I don't understand. It doesn't sit out in the weather. Anyways, this seems like a pretty good option to a gas powered. It says it'll reach up to 15 feet tall. It's got an 8-inch bar on it. Well, something like this would be pretty handy around here where I have nothing but trees. So let's get it out of the box and take a look. Now this was actually special ordered before it was even available, so I don't think there's a whole lot of them out there yet. I'm pretty lucky to get a sneak peek here. Okay, nice. It's got a guard for the saw. Well, installation looks to be pretty straightforward. Some arrows here to line up. Thread this on. Now you can run this with or without this extension piece. Now right off the bat, this thing is considerably lighter than any gas powered unit you're going to find. The battery, of course, is going to add a little bit of weight, but let's get some bar oil in this sucker and a battery on it and cut some limbs down. Now I think for our test we'll go ahead and run it with the extension and just see what kind of reach we can get. The extension is merely electrical. There's the power, the motor is right here in the saw head itself, so unlike my steel, you don't have the weight of a drive shaft going up the middle of this rod. It's merely electrical, so extremely lightweight. That works pretty good. I'm gonna try it on something a little bit bigger. This maple behind me will be a good test for it. Now, something I think is worth mentioning is just as easy as it was to assemble, can be disassembled and stored in a relatively small area. I'd like to thank my buddy Dustin for letting me borrow this and apologize for not being able to give it back. I'm going to need to use this a lot, so thank you, Dustin, and thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned. I've been doing a ton of filming lately. I've got a lot of work done on my my partition wall, and I'm getting back to the covered fire pit, so a lot of good stuff coming up. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next one.